Look, let's talk about the elephant in the room. Stand-up meetings, bro. The quick 15-minute sync that somehow steals 45 minutes of your soul every single morning. You know that. In theory, it's very simple, obviously. Just say what you did yesterday, say what you do today, and pretend you don't have any blockers, even though everything is on fire, right? In practice, it's therapy, but with Jira tickets. Look, you're not listening. No one is listening. You're just rehearsing that one line you've been planning since morning to say, yesterday I worked on the login bug, today I'll still work on the login bug. Meanwhile, 10 other people are describing their day in extreme detail while your soul leaves your body. Every dev has once stood there thinking, do I sound lazy? Should I make it sound like I did more? Maybe if I say I did it, it will sound fancier, right? Now you see, this is the situation that makes a stand-up no more a status meeting, but instead a performance review with an audience. Scrum Master comes and asks, any blockers? Then you're like, nope, all good. Meanwhile, you know internally within yourself that your PR is on day 7 of review purgatory and Jenkins still hasn't passed the build since 2016. The 15 minutes lie. Before being there, you know, the meeting is supposed to be 15 minutes, right? But someone comes and decides to solve a production issue live. Suddenly, it's 10:47 and then your coffee is cold. Now, this is the point where reality hits you. Because at the end of the day, instead of you to be accomplishing tasks in the meeting, the only thing you've been able to accomplish is aging. On Zoom, stand-ups become a game of who unmutes first. Everyone just stares at each other, screen blankly, waiting for someone to speak until you hear, sorry, go ahead. No, you go. No, you go. Then a bunch of adults sat together and then decided to give out 5 minutes of important stand-up meeting to polite hesitation. Look, the truth is, we don't hate communication. We hate wasting time. Stand-ups could be emails or better yet, Slack messages we all ignore until 4 p.m. But instead, every dev wakes up knowing their day would start with 20 minutes of pretending to be productive in front of co-workers who are also pretending to be productive. So that's why stand-ups are the daily ritual every developer secretly or not so secretly despise. I mean, at the end of the day, it depends on the person, right? So yeah, I mean, if you've been able to get to the end of the video, it means you actually enjoyed it, right? So like and subscribe, or else I'll tell your manager to organize 2 stand-up meetings in a day.